Okay, so we have this problem for hydrostatic force on plane surface. Compute the depth of the center of pressure for a vertical triangular gate having a height of h and a base of b and submerged in a liquid with its base at the liquid surface. So, nakay width, nakay height, and its shape is triangular. So, ang iyang base, kung itong illustrate, naa sa surface sa water. So, we have the center of gravity. We also have the center of pressure. Center of pressure is always below the center of gravity at a distance E. Okay. Center of gravity, kung triangle, nasa at 2/3 of. So if we have the depth D, this is 1/3. I mean 1/3 of the depth, or D over 3. We have the base of the triangle. Okay. So kung imo siyang tan-awon sa iyang cross section, nga na siya porma, no, na siya certain thickness. This is center of gravity, this is the center of pressure. So diha mag-act ang hydrostatic force. Okay, so for number 1, ngitaw na to ang depth of center of pressure. So ang depth niya is from the top, no, from the top. Okay, so the formula for E, or the distance between CG and CP, is Ig over SS, in which Ig is the moment of inertia, static moment of area, that is area times Y. So for Ig, we have the formula for triangle B D cube over 36. Area of triangle, that is B times D, and Y is this one, distance of center of gravity, that is D over 3. I mean 1/2 then 1/2 BD, then D over 3. It's area of the triangle. So it is BD cube over 36 times, pwede nyo ma-reciprocal, no, 2 times 3, that is 6. BD squared, no, BD squared. Okay, so 6, 36, it is still 6. Cancel ang B, ang D squared, so mabilan kag isa, that is D over 6. So ang E pa itong nakuha. Ang gipangita sa problem is ang HCP, ito na yung as height or depth of the center of pressure. So that is distance of center of gravity plus E. So HCP is D over 3 plus D over 6. 6 divided by 3, 2 times D. 6 divided by 6, 1 times D. So that is 3D over 6, cancel. We have D over 2. Okay. For number 2, locate the center of pressure if the base of the triangle is 1 meter below the surface. Then we have base equal to 4 meters and depth or height of the triangular gate 3 meters. Okay, so lahi na pud nga computation, no, if ang gate is 1 meter below the surface of the liquid. Still naagyapon tay center of gravity, and we also have center of pressure. Okay, so pangitaon gyapon nato si E. Then the distance from here up to the top, that is the required HCP. Okay, so magyapon, no, E is PD cube over 36. Area is BD over 2. Then ang Y nga distance, that is 1 plus 1 plus D over 3. 1 plus D over 3. Okay, so E is plato base niya 4 meters. Depth 3 meters, 4 by 3. So 4 times 3 cube over 36 divided by 4 times 3 divided by 2, 1 plus 3 over 3. Okay, compute. So 4, 3 cube 36, 4 times 3 over 2, 1 plus we have 0.25. Okay, so E is 0.25, pero ang gipangita is HCP. HCP is 1 meter plus D over 3 plus E, ba? 1 plus D over 3 plus E. So that is the distance of the center pressure from the top of the water surface. So 1 plus 3 over 3 plus 0.25, that is 2.25 meters. So lastly, compute the hydrostatic force on the one side of the gate. So the hydrostatic force F is ang formula gamma H bar A, gamma of water 9.81 kilonewton per cubic meter times H bar, H bar. So kanino, from the center of gravity to the top, so 1 plus D over 3, 1 plus 3 over 3, area 1/2, 4 times 3, so puros ni naka meter. That is meter. So square meter na. Nine 1.81 So we have 117.72 kilonewton per meter length of the gate.